Hello, my name is Diksha. So I am from Karkala, Udupi. I completed my BE in Electrical and Electronics Engineering at NMAM Institute of Technology. So my pass out year was 2025. In last year, I have done one project called Automatic College Bell using STM32. So I got to know about this microcontroller. So there I got to know more interest to learn this embedded system. Then my friend suggested that here is like an institute called Emertxe, so I joined Emertxe. Mentors are very supportive. If you have any doubt, they will clear in that time only. If you are lacking in something, they will guide us to do more. I completed around 8 projects. So actually, to get to know more about that topic, we should complete this project. By completing this project, what will happen is we will be clear on that particular topic. I was came to get this job. I wanted to get placed. Actually, I wanted to get placed when my course completes. So I think I have achieved that. I got placed. It was amazing, but I learned to know about every from basic. I was made my basics very strong, so it helped me to crack this interview. Before, in college, I would rate myself around first day they asked how much you will rate. I think I rated around 4 to 5. Now I think I'm confident enough to rate 8 or 9. Yeah. Actually, this is my only second interview. So I was little nervous after first MCQ only. I was not sure whether I will get or not. After completing an MCQ, my technical interview went well because what they asked, I knew everything. Basically, I have prepared for same set of questions, so it was easy.
I'm Tarun Gaurav. I'm from Siwan, Patna, Bihar, and I have completed my Bachelor's of Engineering from Electronics and Communication from Don Bosco Institute of Technology. As I was younger, I was always interested in electronics and electronics, how the systems are working. It made me curious, how electronics basically works. As I grew, I started to notice that as electronics grows, it behaves in a certain way. To find that certain way, I thought of how can I make my electronics work in a certain way. So I came across with a course which is nothing but electronics and communication. In that, we have actually two types, which is VLSI and embedded system. So I chose embedded system, and since from there I developed more interest. I came across with Emertxe, finding through ChatGPT from LinkedIn, and people were making having some questions answered very well. So I came across with Emertxe and I joined it. Okay, till now I have completed about 9 projects, and basically I started my journey through very basic programs. After learning the basic programs, I started doing assignments which was given in Emertxe. After assignments, I moved to projects which our mentor explained very well. Even though you have some doubts in your projects, the mentor will help you in whichever other way. Even you can text them personally, they'll answer you personally, and they'll provide you some slot times where you can come and discuss your doubts. I actually learned more of the programmings and more of the questions, which was basically about microcontrollers, embedded systems, and I prepared myself very well there during those times, rather than thinking about why it is dragging more and all. Consistency beats the smart work. That's I would give myself.
Hi, my name is Rajesh. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I completed my graduation in Electronics and Communication from Rajiv Gandhi University of Knowledge and Technologies in 2025. During my academics in final year, I done project on embedded system that's made me more interest on embedded systems. Then after my graduation, I studied by myself, but theoretical knowledge is not enough to get a job, so I decided to join any institute to improve my skills. Then I came to Bangalore and joined in this institute. During my Emertxe journey, initial stage I feel nervous to ask questions to mentors, After that, every week they ask some questions on the particular topics. Still now, I completed 7 projects. My course is still going on, but I got selected. That's a big achievement for me. In the interview round, they initially conduct some MCQ round. In that, I thought I am not selected for that, but unfortunately I selected. Then after I entered into second round, that is programming round. In that, I have a good knowledge in program, so I cracked that. Then after they conduct some technical round, which we all learned from Emertxe. They asked about on the topics. Still now, I completed all the modules. One more module is left, but I cracked the interview with my mentor's help and Emertxe placement team. Thank you for Emertxe placement. My embedded journey in Emertxe, it's really amazing because I got placed before completion of the course. So I'm really proud of that. Thank you to all Emertxe team.
I am Monish and I am from Karnataka. I completed my graduation in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Basheshwara Engineering College, Bagalkot in Karnataka only. In my college days, I done final year project called Dynamic Traffic Light Signal Controller. In that, we used Arduino Uno, and in doing that project, I got interested in how hardware and software both communicate with each other, and that interest pushed me to start my career in core domain. Then I come to Bangalore and search for some training institutes for upskills my knowledge in both hardware and softwares. And some of my friends who are already joined in Emertxe, they suggested me to join Emertxe, and after that I joined Emertxe and took the embedded course. Emertxe got really a quality of teaching pattern, and before moving to the next concept, mentors make sure that everyone understand the concept clearly or not. With going the process of concept, they also provide assignments according to the concepts, and that helps us to improve knowledge in that concept and improve my problem solving skills and debugging that errors and all. And I done totally 7 projects in Emertxe, and that projects helps me to get hands-on experience in both hardware and softwares, especially while doing the car black box project. And we use double EEPROM and ADC and potentiometers and all. And that time only I got to know that how the hardware and software really interact with each other, and we should communicate with the hardwares, and that helps me to get more knowledge in embedded. After completion of my course in Emertxe, I got small doubt on myself that I am still ready for this or not, and I gave 1 or 2 interviews, and I got rejected in first round and second rounds only. And then I took myself very serious and approached some of mentors in Emertxe, and they motivated me a lot, and they understand me that how really interview goes on, how you should prepare for that and everything. After the getting the suggestions from mentors, it really helps me a lot to crack interviews, and now recently placed at HCL Tech companies.
My name is Pujita from Hyderabad. I graduated from Rajiv Gandhi University of Knowledge Technologies from Basara in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Since I am passionate about embedded systems, I was choose this platform to learn upskill my foundation. So I have joined here. After joining here, I have learned so many skills in how to solve C programming, fundamentals, and how to communicate to how can devices can communicate each other using protocols, and how to microcontroller board will work with the different devices. From the learning journey, I have gained so many skills with the help of mentors with their constant support and guidance. I have done 11 projects from my learning journey. Those are address book, arbitrary precision control, MP3 tag reader, inverted search. Apart from microcontrollers, I use STM32. Apart from that, I have done a CAN based car dashboard. and speedometer, smart air transmitter, like that. Before coming to projects, every module the mentors were taught in very depth. Those concepts were helpful to resolve and to gain practical knowledge while practicing with the projects. And they gave us much confidence to perform better, to develop my skills much better. Since I'm interested in that, I want to learn something new and shape my future for the better. So I completely satisfied with the course. Learning journey was amazing, and mentors were very supportive, and I would like to thankful them and also entire Emertxe team. And I suggest to further students also join in this to choose a better option to achieve their future goals.